Hello everyone and welcome back to MasFra. It's Alexibo here on the Mind Development channel, and on this channel we guide people on how to use and develop their own minds from within so that the skill set, uniqueness and God-given gifts they have deep inside can shine through. Now in today's video I'm going to discuss how you can apply your school knowledge into a high income skill. Now most people do not find jobs after they graduate from school. The reason being that they do not know how to apply their school knowledge into creating some sort of value for others. And even if they had a job, once the job is taken away from them, it becomes a disaster because they have not done enough research to discover who they are deep on the inside, which is what this channel is all about. We try to guide you on how you can discover yourself on a deeper level so that you can develop a high income skill while adding value to the lives of others. Now, you do not always have to work for a living. We have to realize that skill set equals money. And one of the wise sayings from Robert Kiyosaki was that if you learn never to work for money, you'll be a rich man. Entrepreneurs work for free. And I know, as irony as this may sound, if we try to look very deep at it, we will discover the secret. Now, before I dive deep into this topic, I'd like to tell you how I used to think way back in high school. At high school, oftentimes, I'll be studying for the wrong and superficial reasons. Either I wanted to compete or be at the very top of my class to receive the best student award. Also, I'll be studying probably because I wanted a high-paying job, such as a doctor, a lawyer, or a pharmacist. Now, nothing wrong with studying for a high-paying job. I had all this belief system due to social conditioning. It was until I reached the age of reason that I realized that the world was not all about me. In fact, nobody cares about my success, ambitions, failures, or awards. If I expect to get, first of all, I must be willing to give. And not just give, but give the very best of myself out. Now, like the passage in the Bible, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all other things shall be added unto you. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and its righteousness, and all other things shall be added unto you. The kingdom of God is in each one of us. And it's until we are ready to show genuine interest in others and help others grow that we can tap into this infinite wisdom, which is what's inside us. This infinite wisdom is the kingdom of God, which is inside all of us. Now, the world will only reward you based off on your value. Before you want to receive, you have to be willing to pay the price of what? Giving. It means that there's no such reality as something for nothing. You have to give something out before you receive. You have to give that God, that ability God has placed inside you. You have to show genuine interest in others. You have to show genuine interest on willing to see the world becoming a better place, or you have to show genuine interest in willing to see the world becoming what? Beautiful. That is why when you see all the successful people we have in our present generation, before they got something, they giving something what? Valuable, which is what? That kingdom of God. When you are giving something valuable out, it means you are giving what? That kingdom of God, which is what? Inside you. You are giving it out. You are giving that infinite wisdom, which is inside you, out. That is all that it means. After noticing this truth, I realized that I had to take what? A U-turn and do some inner session to discover who I am on a deeper level so that I can add value to others and help them grow. First off, I knew I was good at connecting dots and I could easily see the potential in others and what they are capable of. I also knew that I could make people understand complex facts by breaking it down into simple pieces for them. Now, knowing myself on a deeper level, I finally decided to dedicate my entire life on trying to improve the mind and skill set of others. Now, you've got to focus on one task because the world only rewards what's exceptional. The world only rewards exceptional. What is that one skill that you are really good at? Is it what? Your ability to speak? Is it your ability to echo your voice? It has the capacity to touch the lives and soul of others. Is it your ability to write stories, interesting stories for children to read or for adults? Is it your ability to sell? Is it your ability to create ideas? What is that one skill? So you have to go deep. You have to go deep into your inner search. You have to do some inner searching. Most of you, as you are watching me now, are probably saying things that I cannot see. I personally cannot see, or most people cannot see. So you have to have that faith and believe in yourself that once deep inside you, you are capable of seeing things that people cannot see. That is your what? Inner calling. What you are capable of seeing that people cannot see. That is the infinite wisdom which is inside you, your imagination. The infinite wisdom starts with your imagination. It means that everything we are seeing around us were made by what? People's imagination. You also have to use your imagination to create a better world around you. How beautiful do you want the world to seem? So you have to use your imagination constantly to fixate on how beautiful you want the world to seem. And then what? With that picture, you go out there and then you create, right? So you have to use your craft. Learn how to use your craft to make the world much more beautiful than you met it. This is your what? Inner calling. Now, as I went through the comment section the other time, I saw one comment saying that he's starting to learn. He's learning about the scientists that we talked about in our previous videos to make a YouTube video. Now, that is a very great idea because most of you, as you studied science in high school, probably you have inclination on how these scientists were thinking. And in our modern age right now, we need people who can actually have that inclination on how these scientists were thinking to teach younger kids or younger generation so that they also start to develop the way these scientists were thinking. You see, it's better for us to understand how they are thinking rather than absorb the information in. Because if we try it this way, it means we are adapting ourselves to other people's way of thinking. We are not becoming creative. In order to be creative, we have to know how they are thinking rather than adapt to other people's way of what? Thinking. That is the wrong way. The best way is what? Is to think, learn how to think and be creative for ourselves. So that was a very good initiative. And the person who can actually do that can actually do a very great job or bring value, a lot of value to the lives of people. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you like this video, please do me a favor. Go ahead to comment, like, and then subscribe. And then you can even comment, what is that one skill which you've probably been seeing, but you don't have faith within yourself. You can comment it in the comment section, and I'll try to look at it and then give out my feedback. So thank you. See you next time.